Hi there, Christopher here. I just wanted to make this quick video to give you a product demo of the Songcards web platform. So right now we're at beta.songcards.io, which is the homepage of Songcards. And as you can see here, we have an example songcard. So this is what a songcard looks like. This one is from music artist Raven. And from here you can already listen to the music.
This is for the dark part in you.
And as you listen to music, you can actually continue to navigate through the Songcards platform and the music will never disappear. So let's do that. So no matter where I am in the Songcards platform, if I'm really enjoying the song that I'm listening to right now, I can go ahead and click on the like button and instantly buy that songcard using Apple Pay or Google Pay. Users don't actually need to create or log into an account in order to buy songcards. They can just use Apple Pay or Google Pay and just buy them off the shelf. After that, they can then create an account if they haven't done so already, and any songcards that they collect with the same email address that's on their Apple Pay or Google Pay automatically get collected to their account.
Raven.
So right now I'm at the card page of this particular songcard. As you can see here in the URL, it is songcards.io/card/ the unique address of that songcard. And this is what artists can use to promote their songcard. So they can have this songcard link on their Instagram, link in bio, or anywhere on their social media. And then users will be able to buy that songcard directly. They won't even need to necessarily leave the social media app or leave the Instagram link in bio to buy the songcard. They just buy it off the shelf using Apple Pay or Google Pay. As you can see here, there's some information about the songcard. So this is where the artist kind of gets to tell their story and give users an idea of what this songcard is all about. There's also the included items such as a WAV or an MP3 and the artwork, the fact that they can access high quality downloads of the music, and the fact that the songcard will be listed on their collectors page, which we'll talk about in a moment, and they'll have their name printed on the songcard here as well. And this is what we call proof of fan, right? So this is proof to the fans and to the artists of who is buying their songcards and who's supporting the artist as well. Users can also buy songcards as a gift, so they can click on buying as a gift and enter the recipient's email address, their name, so that the recipient knows who bought them a songcard, and then the recipient can access that songcard from there as well. There's also a leaderboard. So if we go over to the leaderboard icon here, this is a list of the top collectors. So let's have a look at Philip's collection, for example. So this is Philip's collectors page. Let's have a look at the URL. It's songcards.io/collector/Philip. So this is the link, this is the page that the collector can use to kind of show off their collection and prove to people that they're fans of the artist that they've collected from. So just scrolling through their collector's page, this is another point at which songcards can be promoted by the fans who collect them as well, which is another way for artists to get discovered on songcards. There's also a discover page. So if we click on the card icon up here, this is where users can browse songcards. They can join the Collectors Club as well, which is a newsletter promoting the latest songcards. And here they can just browse, infinite scroll through the discover page and discover new songcards. The Songcards web platform also features a light and dark mode, so the user can choose which color mode that they prefer. There's also an account page. So a user signs in with their email address and password, and this is where they can browse their songcard collection. This is where the user can access any additional content and download the MP3s or the WAV files that the artist has offered them inside of the songcard. They can also view the media that's included in the songcard and access it just from here. So that's the account page. We have the home page here, we have the leaderboard, the discover page, the color mode toggle, and the account page there as well. Those are the primary pages on the Songcards platform, as well as the collectors page, which you can access through the leaderboard, or the collector can then go on to promote their unique Songcards collectors page and promote those on social media as well. So if you're interested in getting involved in Songcards, if you're interested in creating your first songcard or just keeping up to date with the latest developments, you can click join the beta on the home page, which is a simple form. So from here you can read the FAQs, you can get in touch, you can create your first songcard, or you can join a Discord server, whatever makes sense for you. And if you're an artist and you feel like you're ready to create your first songcard, you can scroll down to create your first songcard here, or you can go to create.songcards.io. So that was just a quick product demo of the Songcards platform. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.